Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is another nail vlog. My vlog camera literally just died right when I turned it on. But I'm showing you these nails here today. And I did them at home. So it's really cool because I never thought I could get this kind of nail look from home. I'm gonna show you guys the other hand. I decided to try and do like two different types of like colors just because there was so much glitter in the kit that comes with the kit, if that makes sense. Like, I wanted to try both of the different glitter styles. So these are the nails that I came up with today. It is using the MAKARTT Polygel nail kit, and I've used it before on my channel, so I'm just showing you how I do the design. But I love the way they turned out. They look so good. Don't they look so good? My hands are freezing now. I'm gonna get my car and start editing this video, but if you guys want to watch, then make sure you keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed for more nail vlogs from me, make sure you're subscribed down below. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and I will see you guys at the end of this video. Alright, so the MAKARTT nail extension gel kit comes with quite a few things. It not only comes with what I'm showing you here, but it comes with a UV lamp as well. So this comes with polygel, a nail brush and spatula, dual forms, 3 different colors of polygel actually, nail extension form, free-form stickers, glitter, 6 types of glitter, top coat, and base gel. So there's a lot of things. I actually am saving the stickers for a separate video because I want to try something else. I didn't use that today, but it comes with a nail file that I use primarily to remove all of my shellac nails with a 120 and 240 bit or grit. I'm not exactly sure what the correct verbiage is, but the glitter, there's pink, there's baby blue, there's a dark blue, there's 2 different types of silver, and then 1 white kind of holographic glitter as well. So like I mentioned, there is a UV lamp, 24 watts I think, and then I'm just picking out the dual forms that I'm going to be using for my nails. I'll leave down below in the description the exact numbers that I used. For my thumb I had 4, my index I think I had 7, my middle I had 8, and then my pinky I had 10. So now I'm going in with the base coat. My biggest mistake here was that I did every single nail. So I recommend just doing 1 nail at a time because it gets all over the place. This system is incredibly sticky. That's why you need alcohol solution to just be handy so that you're not getting stickiness everywhere. You're gonna coat your brush in the alcohol once you have scraped a bead of polygel into the dual form. And then you're going to push the polygel around with your wet brush filled with alcohol. And then you're just going to move it around until it's thin. And then you're going to flip your finger around and make sure that the inside of your nail is also flat. Cure it in the light, and then you should get a nail that looks like this. Now, practice always makes perfect. I've done this about 3 or 4 times now. So I've gotten pretty good at it, but I'm just using the base gel to now do the glitter portion. So in the beginning, I was kind of figuring out what kind of glitter I wanted to do. I'm using an e.l.f. soft concealer brush to just toss the glitter on, but I decided to go in with a pink glitter, and I love the way my nails turned out. Definitely reminds me of something Ariana Grande would have, but I'm just sprinkling on the glitter by tapping the brush and the excess glitter on the end of the brush, if that makes sense. And then I cure it in the light, and then I'll go in with my nail file again and just kind of file down the glitter because it's not like the glitter's going anywhere. If you put the top coat on it, it then shines through. So don't worry about filing after at all. I just reshaped the nail to what I liked and the length to what I liked. My nails right now are pretty long for me. It's not what I normally go for, but I think these nails look the best when you keep a lot of length on them. So again, going in with another base gel because I didn't think it was enough glitter. And I'm kind of doing this ombre effect and just packing on the glitter towards the tip of the nail. When I look at them now, I love the way they look. I definitely think this middle finger was the worst out of all of them. But again, they got better as I went, and I just finished off with the top coat, and then I cured it in the light for about 60 seconds. And this is what the nail should come out to look like. Now, I'm going to show you again with my ring fingernail. This is, I think, either number 7 or 8 in the dual form. The smaller they are, the harder it is, of course, to move the polygel around. It gets in your fingers sometimes, so you just have to be really careful, but work slowly and efficiently. So when you put the bead down, press it, make sure that the cuticle portion is thin. I'm adding more polygel towards the cuticle because I didn't put enough in the beginning, but I'm making sure that I flatten out the end where the cuticle is, and then the end where the actual nail will end, like the tip of the nail, but then I leave the middle quite, like, not bulky, but I do leave more formula kind of in the middle. And then I'll go around, clean up the edges if anything is pressed or oozed out the side. I'll flatten out the back side of the nail so that it goes smoothly from my actual nail with the polygel nail. Now I'm rocking it back and forth, the dual form, and it pops right off. And don't be scared, it doesn't hurt or anything. It's such a clean look. You want to make sure you push it all the way into your cuticle so that it really looks natural and you get that smooth ridge. The apex of the nail, which is like the curvature of the nail, is pretty round. I think the dual form has naturally a more C-like shape to it versus like a U-like shape, if that makes sense. It's not as wide. It's definitely more curvy, so it looks really, really good in my opinion. Now I'm just showing you how to do the glitter again. This part is pretty self-explanatory. I've seen other people mix in the glitter with the actual formula of the polygel. I want to try that in my next video, but here again, just popping off the pinky nail, and you just repeat this over and over and over again. This definitely took me quite a few hours, took me like 4 hours, I want to say, and I know that's a long time, but if you're like me, and now when I look at my nails, I'm just happy with the way that they turned out, and I just love them even more because of how hard I worked for it. Now, again, I'm just showing you how I lay the glitter on top. You can never have too much glitter in my opinion, so don't ever feel like you're messing up at this part. Filing it down and then going back in with the top coat. These are all of my left hand done. Just quickly wanted to show you my right hand. At this point, it was like 12 o'clock at night. I was getting really frustrated. I think the fumes were making me a little delirious, to be honest. But I pushed through and I mixed the two of these glitters together. And I love the way that the holographic, like larger glitter, the white one, gave it a really like snowflake-like effect. So this is the completed like nail, and that's the final look. And here are the after nails in the sunlight. Honestly, I feel like nails look the best when they're in the sun. Oh my gosh, they look so good. I'm really, really happy with the way that they turned out. Let me show you guys this hand here. How beautiful does this hand look? The thumbnail looks gorgeous. Like the edges look so good. It did take a long time to do, but I'm really, really happy with the result. I think I put too much glitter on my pinky fingernail, but hey, there's no such thing as too much glitter. Here's what they look like in direct sunlight. Oh my, look at that sparkle. So pretty. Oh my goodness. This isn't with like cuticle oil or anything. So this is just like straight after the next day. But, oh, these are so pretty. So happy with these nails. Let's see what they look like here in this lighting. Oh my goodness. You can see it sparkle. That's so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching and making it to the end of the video. I hope you guys do like these nails. I really, really love them. I can't stop staring at them. I really, really like, I think I like this hand a little bit better because as I was going, like I got better and better. And I feel like if you're someone who is willing to sit down and take the time to really like work on your nails like I am, then I definitely recommend this nail kit to you. It's nice because it's just on Amazon, so you can, it's really accessible. But yeah, like I mean, honestly, these nails came out so good. I know in a previous video I had said like, oh, like short nails are like more of an expensive look, and like I completely agree with that still. Like I think that short nails are a great look, but like I know in my heart that I love my long nails. Like I just love them so much. And like there's my real nails are still pretty long under there. So tell me which ones you guys like. Do you like the pink side, or do you like the more like white milky clear side? Here's like an up close shot, which I'll probably do more of. But yeah, let me know which one you guys liked better in the comments down below. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. My thumbs up looks like way better now that my thumbnail is super long. But make sure you guys give my video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next nail vlog. Bye.